How to export audio files from AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Then select any editing tools such as Trim, Merge, Convert, Compress and more that you want to finalize your audio with, or you can choose files that you have recorded, edited or mixed using AudioLab's tools. After selecting the tool, import the audio file from your device storage and edit the audio as per your preference. Once your file is ready, tap on the Save option. The audio file will be exported and saved to your device storage. You can now share it via social media, messaging apps or transfer it to your computer for further use. Using the export feature in AudioLab ensures that your recordings, music, podcast or edited audio are saved in the best possible format and quality for your project. Now you know how to export audio files from AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.